everybody. Karen Baskett again, here in my house. Baskett Studios. With my dog, fast asleep. Totally enthralled by everything that we're doing here today. I just got finished teaching my Broadway jazz class. And we did a phrase from Frank Sinatra called I've Got Plenty of Nothin, and it's from Porgy and Bess. So I'd like to show it to you. I'm going to slow it down a little bit with counts because I just taught it tonight, and I plan on working it for the next couple of weeks at least because I really like this music. So let's go through it, okay? So I start with holding 8 counts. I sway to the left and I slap. 1, 2, 3. Ball, change, and scoop the hands. Come all the way through the middle again where they came from. And then open the elbows and then close them. He goes, I've got plenty of nothing. I'm gonna open my left knee, open my right knee, and close it. Kickball, change my right leg, and then flick and let that heart open on 8. I step right, left, and I sweep my right arm forward, and I step over with my right foot. And then I push back twice to the right. I'm gonna step to my right, inside turn on the right, put the left foot down and the left arm higher with flex wrists. Lean back 1, snap 2, and snap 3. I'm gonna take my left arm over my head, passe, fall, ball change in an X, and then drop. My left hip goes around once. I lasso over my head, dégagé, release the left foot. I'm gonna move back just a little bit. I release the left foot. I open, my right leg is trailing. Open my heart. Close my right foot in coupe. And then I'm gonna rond de jambe and sauté at the same time as I toss the right arm behind and over my head. I'm gonna elbow, soutenu. My hands go over my face like they're hiding my eyes. I flip them up as I releve. I walk, I snap, I cross. I turn around, my feet squeeze facing stage right. I touch my thigh, my left thigh with my hands. I look up, my reach blade fingertips, you can't see them in the frame, but they're there. And then I pop my heels and I retract my hands, so that sort of emoji, like, shape. But why? Okay? So let's try it with music and I'll show it to you. Okay? Here we go.
I got plenty of nothing.
Da, 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 da. Step. Go. Hop. Down. Hop. Hip. Lasso. Cross. Open and right. Rond de jambe. Hands or snap. How'd you do? Come to class next week, Monday, 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. See you then. Thank you.